Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I craft a Yule inspired coaster gift set decorated with plants and flowers of the Yuletide season. Holly, mistletoe, poinsettias, evergreens and berries. Let's do some magical crafting. This kit includes 4 wood coasters, black paint and 5 additional colors of acrylic paint, a clear gloss sealant, 2 paintbrushes, and a design pattern, along with step-by-step instructions. This month's kit includes everything you need to create a 4-piece coaster set. Once you've crafted the coasters, you may wish to tie them with ribbon and give them as a handmade Yule gift. I'll link to the kit below in case you want to get one for yourself. But of course, you can make this project using craft supplies you have at home as well. My first step is to shake and stir the black paints to mix them. I've added a flow agent to the paint that might appear white, so I want to make sure that all the paint and flow agent is mixed before painting all of the coasters black. I'm painting the top, sides, and backs in several stages, allowing for drying time in between. Next, I'm using the designs included as a guide and a pencil to sketch the 4 different designs onto the 4 coasters. The first design is a holly design with 6 leaves and berries in the middle. The second design is a sprig of mistletoe with 8 leaves and some berries down the stem. The third design is 3 poinsettia flowers with 2 leaves on each. And the fourth design is 7 small evergreen boughs interspersed with berries. You can paint your coasters any way and in any order you like, but I decided to use all of one color at a time, beginning with the olive green paint. I filled in the holly leaves, the mistletoe leaves, the evergreen boughs, and poinsettia leaves. I made sure to let the olive green dry before moving to the red paint. Next, I used the red paint to paint the first layer of poinsettia flower petals. Then I painted all of the berries on the holly, the evergreen, and the mistletoe coasters. Once the red paint was dry, I used the coral peach paint to paint the top layer of poinsettia petals and add highlights to all of the berries. I used the teal blue paint to accent the mistletoe and holly leaves, the evergreen boughs, and the poinsettia leaves. Once all of the other paint was dry, I broke out the white paint. The first thing I did was add dots in the center of each poinsettia flower. Next, I accented the edges of the evergreen boughs. Next, I accented the edges of the holly leaves. I painted one white line in the center of each mistletoe leaf. And finally, I added one small dot of white on every berry on each coaster. Once the white paint was dry, it was time to use the clear gloss sealant to put a very thin layer on each coaster, tops, sides, and backs. I did this in several stages, allowing for drying time in between. After the gloss sealant had dried, I applied black foam stickers to the bottoms of each coaster as rubber feet. You may wish to tie the completed set with red ribbon or twine and give them as a handmade Yule gift. Happy Yuletide and happy crafting!